Hello my friends, welcome back in my channel. I'm here with my December sale and I hope so you will give me the short attention for this video. I hope so you will learn something new and you will find out what is selling in December, and maybe it will motivate you for your next video or photography project. And I hope so your sale is better than mine, because my December sale it's not really huge, but it's not surprising for me because usually I have December a little bit slower, same like January, and it's probably not just me. January will be definitely affected with Shutterstock sales because we are starting from level number 1, and we will see what will bring sale from other agencies. I really do not have any big sale in December. My two biggest sale it's coming surprisingly from Dreamstime, and it was car picture from Auto Show, and really nothing major or nothing bigger like that happens to me in December. More than Dreamstime surprised me Creative Market when I have sale for $9.60, what is really not every day in these sellers, because I don't know what happens, but for this year it's pretty slow for me with the Creative Market, and I hope so will be better in coming year. I hope so you have nice holidays and take break from all this stock market, but I hope so you make some new images or video footage for your next year, because it's good opportunity to be loaded with some new images and video footage for next year. Bad news in this market is Alamy, because I have already 1% sale for picture, and not just me but many from other people from this business have same sales. I hope so will be no really too many sales like this in this coming year, and I am also thinking about opt out from any options what I can do it in Alamy in month of April. I have many small sales during the December from other companies, and probably the worst, if I am correct, it's sale on AM for 1 cent, but I already stopped upload to AM because it is not worth it. I really do not work on any new project during the December. Mostly it's really Christmas images from Christmas tree and from holidays time. And what I did, I just visit 3 small towns around me, and I try catch the atmosphere on with the video and with photography. I hope so this will be good for me for next year sale, but otherwise I don't work on nothing special, and I hope so I will come with some idea in January 2022. This industry is really harder and harder every day, but I am no planning to stop what I am doing, because I already have too many images and footage in my portfolios with many agencies. But it's definitely not easy these days, and during the Corona we will see what happens in this year. I hope so everything will change, because many buyers don't have too much money in the packet, and every company is trying to save the money for other project. Here is a couple my holidays images and some footage from December, and I hope so this will have some selling potential for me for next year. I don't have too much time play with my new toys with Autodolly from Newer. You can check the previous video, but I hope so I will have more time for that in January, because I'm still not sure if this is the right tools, but in this moment I use him a couple times, looks like it's working, but definitely what I said before, it's not for me replacement for the slider. Have a wonderful January, and I hope so will be not really bad, but I hope so will be better than December, and I will see you with the bestsellers video in February, and I hope so I will have time before that to do something else for this channel. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please click on the like, and I will appreciate if you follow me on YouTube, and this will help me do more work for you, and I really will try be monetize this year, and I really want to upload more video for you.